In this question, you're given that the slope of one line is double the slope of the other, and the angle between the lines is tan inverse of 1 by 3. So you're asked to find the slopes of these lines. So the angle between the lines is tan inverse of 1 by 3. It means you're talking about the acute angle between two lines, right? So let the slopes be m comma 2m, because one slope is double the other. Now the tan of angle between these two lines, let theta be the acute angle between the lines. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is 2m square. So m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. And the angle between the lines is given as tan inverse of 1 by 3. That means theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. So what is tan theta? Tan theta has to be equal to 1 by 3. So the tan of acute angle between the lines is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to mod of 2m minus m is m by 1 plus 2m square. This implies mod of this is equal to 1 by 3. So m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. This implies plus or minus 3m is equal to 1 plus 2m square. This implies 2m square plus minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you have 2m square plus 3m, this can be split into plus 2m and plus m. So this can be written as, if you have plus, for positive sign, the breakage is 2m plus 1 times m plus 1 is equal to 0. And for negative sign, the breakage is 2m minus 1 times m minus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies m is equal to minus 1 by 2 or minus 1, minus 1 by 2 or minus 1, or 1 by 2 or 1. You have 4 different values of m which are possible. 4 different values. So this implies if m is minus half, 2m is equal to minus 1. The required slopes are minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 2, half comma 1, and 1 comma 2. So these are the 4 possible values of the slopes which satisfy this condition. Thank you.